Dear student, so I am back with my second class on the topic of integers for class 7. Here in this particular video, we will be dealing with multiplication of integers. If you remember, in the last video, we did addition as well as subtraction of integers. Here, now we are going to see how to deal with integers when they have to be multiplied, that is multiplication of integers. Let's see, when we multiply a positive integer to a positive integer, my result is always positive. When a positive integer to a multiply a negative integer, my result is negative. When I multiply a negative integer to a positive integer, my result is negative. When I multiply a negative integer to a negative integer, my result is positive. For multiplications of integers, you have to remember this, and you have to remember this forever also. Okay, now I will take a few examples for multiplication of integers. Suppose I have to multiply 5 with 8. Both are positive integer, so the answer will be 40, and positive into positive remains positive, so this will positive 40. I take a positive integer, say 5. I multiply it with a negative integer, minus 8. Now because, see children, this is difference between addition and multiplication. Now I am not giving the answer as minus 3. Here is yet got by multiplying the two numbers. 5 multiply 8 equals to 40, and when I multiply the numbers, then only I multiply the sign. Very important, I repeating, when we multiply the integers, we multiply the sign of those integers too. So 5 multiply 8 is equals to 40, and positive multiply negative is equals to negative. So my answer is minus 40. Now I take a negative integer, say minus 5, and I multiply it with a positive integer, say 8. My answer will be 5 multiply 8 equal to 40, and because again the integers are multiply, the sign also we multiply. Negative multiply positive is equal to negative. So my answer will be negative 40. Lastly, taking both negative integers, I take minus 5 multiply minus 8. 5 into 8 equal to 40, and negative multiply negative is positive. So this will remain positive 40. Now we will take a few questions based on multiplication of integers. Now I am taking is to multiply 7 into 3. Then 1 I will take minus 7 into 3, and one more I will take minus 7 into minus 3. Then next one will be minus 17 into 0, and the next one will be minus 24 into minus 5. So in answer 1, both positive integers 7 into 3 is equal to 21, answer will be positive. Answer 2. Now one negative and one positive integer both multiply, so I will multiply the number also and I multiply the sign also. That is 7 into 3, 21 and a minus sign here. Answer. Then I have again 7 into 3 is equal to 21, but negative into negative is positive, so my answer will be plus 21. Then minus 17 into a 0. Any number multiply with 0 returns 0. And 0 is neither negative nor positive, so we simply write 0 as the answer to this. Answer. Next we have 24 into 5, rather we have minus 24 into minus 5, so first I multiply the numbers. 24 into 5 give me 120 and negative into negative give me positive, so the answer remain as it is. Answer.